Alright, so called you in because you didn't do very well on the ionic bond formula quiz. So it's pretty simple. If it's an ionic bond, we use what we call the drop and swap. The first thing though I want you to do is take out this part of your periodic table and make sure that we have it labeled correctly. You may have been gone, but you need a +1 right here, a +2 right here, +3, plus -4, then a -3, -2, and -1. If you don't have that on your periodic table, please pause and then label that. Alright, once you have those, life is actually not too difficult. Alright, once again, I just covered up that right so we could just take some notes real quick. The way the drop and swap works, if I give you a metal and a non-metal, you write the metal first and the non-metal second. And let's say this is S. The next thing you do is find the metal's charge and put it above. And then you find the non-metal's charge, and it's right there. That's why we drew these. And you put it above. And now that you have these, you will drop them and swap them. What that means is this -2 is lowered and then put over here. Now we never put a negative because this is an amount of things or ratios. And then we have a 1 over here. Now in chemistry, if it's just a 1, we don't write it because if there's no other number, we assume that that thing is a 1. So let's do another one. If we had Al and oxygen, you would find aluminum, and it would be right there. So its charge is a +3. Oxygen is right here, so it would be a -2. Then we drop and swap. The 2 comes down here. The 3 goes over here. So our answer, Al2O3. Alright, so just answer these next few questions. And if it goes well, you can get out. Just a couple things to remember though. The metal is always written before the non-metal. And we don't include ones. So go ahead and answer the next few questions.